LEGO just revealed their new LEGO Ninjago sets of 2025, and some of them are actually really good. Up first, we have the Ross and Arin's Superstorm plane. This set looks really cool and is made out of 510 pieces. This set comes with 3 minifigures, which look really cool. This plane has multiple different features, like that the front can be separated from the other part. Also, the plane contains 2 LEGO bullets that can shoot when you press a button. Secondly, we have the Dragonian Storm Village. This village includes 6 new minifigures, including the new Jay and the new Morrow minifigure. This LEGO set contains 305 LEGO bricks and can be bought for $40. Next, we have an absolutely massive LEGO set. This LEGO set is called Zane's Ultra Combiner Mech and contains a whopping 1,187 pieces. This set also contains 6 different minifigures, including one of the Forbidden 5, which is actually crazy. With this set, you also get a more grown Ryu on top of the mech. For what it looks like right now on the LEGO website, we can see that Zane's mech can be transformed into different parts like this car, which is also pretty cool about this LEGO set. Zane's mech can be bought for $100, which is one of the biggest LEGO Ninjago sets coming out. What do you think of this set? Let us know down in the comments. Next, we have the new Spinjitzu Battle Spinners. These spinners are pretty cool because you only have to push this button on the side of the stand to let the spinner spin. One spinner set is made out of 54 pieces, and if you buy the spinner pack, you get 186 pieces. One spinner can be bought for around $10, but you can also buy a pack, which costs $20. Now we have Zane's Battlesuit Mech. This set also is a smaller set, but this set is also really cool. This mech includes 92 pieces and can be bought for $10. Within this set, you get 3 different minifigures, which all look pretty good. Would you buy this LEGO set? Next, we have Kai's Mech Storm Rider. With this set, you get 3 different minifigures, including Kai and Nia. It looks like this set is a bit like Zane's Ultra Combiner Mech, because this set can also be pulled apart. The set contains 330 tree pieces and can be bought for $50. Next, we have Lloyd's Green Forest Dragon. This dragon is a smaller LEGO set than previous dragons, but it's actually pretty cool. With this set, we get 2 minifigures and something that looks like a small Ryu, but then gold. We don't know what this golden baby Ryu is, so if you know it, let us know down in the comments. This set contains 128 pieces and can be bought for around $20. And last but not least, Lloyd's Pullback Race Car. This car can be pulled back and launched, as the name already says, which is pretty cool. With this car, you get these 2 minifigures, which also look really good. This car is built out of 181 pieces and can be bought for $25. What do you think about the new LEGO Ninjago sets coming in 2025? We think that LEGO actually did a good job with creating these new sets. Let us know in the comments what your opinion is, and we will try to answer. Also, don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thanks for watching.